Welcome everybody. Today we've got old Lando Calrissian from Jabba's palace. He originally came with a little, what I call it, the pike, and had a helmet / disguise. I always liked old Lando. Now he didn't have a cape on this one. He had a cape in the Bespin one. I didn't. Like I say, it's typical Star Wars character, minimal posability. Got the very few, got some textures on the back, but no real details, I wouldn't say. Got the pauldrons and the chest plate. Of course, the very suave mustache. It's Lando. Got the straps on his boots down here. I really like this one because he had the helmet / disguise thing, and it, I don't think it would have ever fooled anybody in person because, it's Billy D. Williams. Who's not going to recognize Billy D. Williams, right? But he was, I thought the fact that they actually had that where we could put the helmet on and he could be in disguise as one of Jabba's guards was really cool at the time when I was, 8? Yeah, 8 or 9, something like that. 8, I think. And he was, but I say, he's still one of my favorite characters. I enjoyed his cameo in that last Star Wars movie, and I enjoyed Donald Glover's interpretation of him in the Han Solo movie, which I still enjoyed that movie. I don't know what's wrong with it, why everybody thinks that's such a terrible movie. I thought it was just a fun popcorn movie. But I'll digress from that. That's about all I got for old Lando. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.